What's up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple scrolling timeline effect in CapCut Desktop PC. It's actually quite simple, so let's just jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is head on over to the Media tab, click on Library, then Background, and choose any solid black background. Now what you're going to do is go up to the Text tab, click on Text, and add any default text. Now, you don't have to do it this way. I did it this way for myself because I was using a lot of dates that I had to scroll in between, and also now I have the template to save in case I need to use it or tweak it for another project. So what I did was typed out every date from 1920 all the way to 2020, and in between each date I spaced it 5 times. Now that's a personal preference. I chose 5 times because I like the way it looks space-wise in between each date. Side note, if you don't want to do the horizontal timeline scroll, you could also use the same procedure to do a vertical timeline scroll. Personally, I prefer the horizontal scroll because it just seems more natural if you're scrolling back and forth between time. It's just a personal preference, so whichever you prefer. Now go ahead and copy and paste your timeline from Word into the default text that we added earlier. I want this year to start from 1957, so I'm going ahead and click on my timeline and scroll all the way to 1957, and then just make sure when you get to the date that you want it to start on, that it's basically right in the center of the screen. Scroll down under transform so you can keyframe your start position at the beginning of the clip, then move your playhead to a few frames ahead or where you want it to end. Click on your date text and start scrolling to where you want your timeline to end. But here we're going to choose 1972. Again, try to get your end date close to the center of the screen as possible. Depending on how fast or slow you want your timeline to scroll, that all depends on how close or how far apart your keyframes are. For instance, if you want the timeline to actually scroll a lot faster, just move the end keyframe closer towards the start keyframe. If you wanted to move a lot slower in time, just drag the end keyframe further away from your start keyframe. Go ahead and make a copy of your solid black background simply by selecting it and alt-clicking it to drag it directly above your text track. Head on over to Mask, click Add Mask, Rectangle, and then Mask Settings, make sure you click Reverse. Now, the crop box will appear around your text. You want to go ahead and start to crop around your date. Head on over to Feather and feather it out, which is a personal preference. You could choose as much or as little feather as you want. Now go ahead and make any final adjustments to your keyframes if need be, whichever works best for you. Play back to view, and voila, that's it. You have successfully created a horizontal scrolling timeline from scratch. If you found this tutorial useful, drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to also like and subscribe. See you next time.